Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about conditional formatting provided by the Google Sheets app. Before getting into the video, the first thing that comes into your mind, what is conditional formatting? Right? It's very simple friends. Conditional formatting is formatting of the cells or formatting the contents of the cell, be it the color of the cell or the syntax of the cell. All this can be changed based on a rule. So let us see how we can do that with some examples. So here I have a regular attendance sheet, if you can see. Now you generally when we maintain a physical register, we ensure that the present P is written in black or blue and the absent is written in red. Here also the same thing is possible. Select the range of cells and you click on the edit option, which is here. Once you click on that, you have to browse down to conditional formatting. Right now, no rules have been applied. That is what it says by saying 0 rules. So, click on conditional formatting. So, the selected range will appear here. Then, format cells. If the text exactly contains A, in my case A, what I am going to do is, I am going to fill that particular cell with a pinkish tone. Okay, these are the styles which is provided by the Google Sheets app by default. You can make a custom one which I'll be storing in the upcoming examples. Okay, let us start with a simpler one now. So now I'm going to click on the save option. My conditions I have clearly mentioned. I'm going to click on the save option which is in the top right corner. Click save. Then click on the add button which is again on the top right corner. So add, and then you can come out of it by pressing the back button. Right? See if you can see clearly the letters have been the particular cells that have absent that has been highlighted. Now I don't want this row, I want to remove it. Let us see again how it goes. Select one of these cells, again click on conditional formatting, then click on conditional formatting. If you select, you will have a delete option here. See, you can remove it. Just click on it and automatically it will get deleted. No conditional formatting has been applied. If you see, it comes back to its original form. So this is how you have to apply conditional formatting and remove it. Okay, so there are many things to explore in this. I'm going to show it only for the text. See, I have shown it for just if the text exactly contains, but there are many things that Google Sheet app provides us. For example, if it is empty, if it is not empty, if the text contains a particular part of the word, or if the text does not contain that word, if the text starts with, ends with, all this you can use. Okay, so let us go to it. So this is for the texting part. Okay, now let us go to the next one. Let me go to another sheet, sheet 2. This is for numbers. Now let's see how we can apply conditional formatting for numbers. I have a set of marks which the children have obtained in one of the tests. Now my task is to highlight those marks which are less than 35 in a red tone. So same thing we are going to do. Select the complete cells, click on the edit button, browse down to conditional formatting. Here you can select a row, select the condition. What is the condition is, if it is less than 35, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the pink tone. In this case, let me use the custom one. I'm going to change the fill color. So let me change the fill color to a little reddish one, or let me take it pinkish itself. So that happens. Then I can make it bold also. The letters will be, the alphabets will be, or the numbers will be bold. Now click on the tick option here. Okay. Now click save and click on these things. See, if you see, the children who have got less than 35, their cells have been highlighted. Now I can apply any number of rules for the same set of for the same or the different set of cells. Now I have one more task. For the same set of cells, I need to highlight the children who have got above 95. See, let's see how we can do that. Conditional formatting. Add, click on add. You are adding a new condition. So click on add. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a default slide. I want to make it green. Now what will I do is, if the children's marks is greater than 95, I'm going to mark them green. Okay, save, click and save. That's it. So this rule will be automatically applied. Let's see. So if you look here, 98, 98, 99, 97. So these are the 4 children who have got scores more than 95. This will be easier for data extraction. There is one more excellent feature provided by the conditional formatting. Let me show you that. Now I have the scores which the children have obtained in different tests for one particular subject. Consider it English. Okay, so now roll number 1, initially he has scored 35, then in the test 2 he has scored 48, test 3 he has scored 60, and test 4 he has scored 89. So that is what I have. Now I want to see how the child has fared or how the child has performed in this particular 4 test. We can do it based on color coding. So select the cells, again click on the edit option, go to conditional formatting. Now instead of single color, see here, there is a single color tab here, right? We are not going to select that. Instead, we are going to go into color scale. Okay, let me go to the color scale tab. You can select the colors how you want. So let me choose this. So green is for the maximum value. So I'll choose this. Red is for the minimum value and green is for the maximum value. You can see the color tone has just reversed. So exactly, midpoint is 50, which I want to maintain the same. I don't want it to be white, the midpoint. I want it to be little yellowish. So let me choose that. So now this is how it will work. Now I will save it and press the back button, which is here. Okay, so press the back button. You'll see the condition has been applied. So if you see this particular roll number 1, he has started from low and he has reached to green color. So that means he has progressed very well. Now let us see one more example. If you look here, roll number 9, he has scored really well in the beginning, but in the continuous test he has scored less. That means he has a downward graph. Now let us look at roll number 6. If you see, he has fared well. From 76 he has gone to 97. It will be easy based on this color coding. It will be easy. It will be easy for you to analyze how the children have fared. So this is how you can use the color scales. I hope you have understood, my friends. I have just took a few scenarios which I thought would be helpful for teachers, but the scenarios and situations are all up to your creativity, how you want to use this feature. So I just wanted to present how this feature can be used. So thank you. Here we go. Thank you.